Dear seniors, today we celebrate you. While we will celebrate your commencement more formally in the fall, I hope this message, delivered from the Duke Library at the heart of the Furman campus and at the heart of your academic experience, will provide a moment of well-deserved recognition of your talent and your hard work and all that you've accomplished. You faced and overcome many challenges none of us could have imagined just a few months ago. You learned and you grew along the way. You found your path and you arrived at this special moment. Congratulations. We celebrate you today and look forward to seeing you at your commencement ceremony in the fall. We don't know the date yet, but this event will be yours. It will include our many traditions and it will be at Furman, so your faculty and your peers and all of campus can celebrate with you and your families. Until they can do it in person, our campus community and alumni have asked us to share their thoughts with you, our graduating seniors, and a collection of senior tributes and spotlights on our website and in social media. Please take a moment to read a few of these special messages. I love our Furman family, and clearly they love you. Now, a word from your other president, Senior Class President Jaylon Goodwin, a recent recipient of the Furman Hall of Leaders Award for Excellence in Service and Leadership.
Thank you, President Davis. Hello, Class of 2020, and congratulations. Today is the day we have looked forward to for the past 4 years, but in this moment, all I can do is look back. When I look at our class photo taken in our first few days on campus, I can't help but smile. The vibrant faces of our then freshman selves were a clear marker that no matter what, we were going to make an impact on the Furman campus. I realize this as I reflect on how great the impression you have all left on me is. Through every experience, there has always been someone in our class that has been there to encourage and motivate me to continuously move out of my comfort zone and grow. Experiencing firsthand the amount of ambition we brought to campus, there is never a moment where our class has been deterred from taking action and being a catalyst for change. It is clear to me that we are a class that will forever be the benchmark of what it means to be a paladin. I can say without a doubt that these 4 years have been nothing short of life-changing. It's been my honor to serve as your class president, and I am beyond excited to see you all again. Until then, farewell.
Thank you, Jaylon. I am so proud of the class of 2020. I am proud of you for the tenacity, the adaptability, and the grace that you have shown throughout your 4 years in college, and especially during these past few weeks. Now, it is an honor and a privilege to say these words. By virtue of the authority vested in me by the Furman University Board of Trustees, I hereby confer upon each of you the appropriate degree with all its rights and responsibilities. You are now a Furman graduate and an alumnus, and your alma mater will forever hold you dearly. Congratulations, graduates. Celebrate today, knowing that you are ready for tomorrow and whatever it may bring. Until we see you again in the fall, good luck and Godspeed.